Hi folks, this is Namish here. Today I got a special surprise from Aubree Chocolates, the best chocolate maker from Bangalore. It says Choco Crackers, and Kishore told me there's a little bit of surprise in this for you. Well, I'm excited. Let me just unbox this and not hold back my excitement. Well, opening this. Wow, I see crackers inside these. Are these really crackers? Well, it's a rocket. Quite popular, right? For a lot of people. And here's ground chakkar. This again another famous cracker. We all love to watch the ground chakkars, right? Zameen chakkars, what we call them. And the famous atom bombs. I think a lot of times people don't like this because of the sound, but a lot of us enjoy the sound. And of course, the famous, the flower pots that we all love to light and then just keep watching that, right? And also, there's Lars. Well, there's the 56 walas, we also have the 100 walas, or 10,000 walas, and whatnot, right? And these small bombs as well, I think they're also quite famous, and these as well. Well, all of these are not crackers, but they're actually chocolates shaped like crackers. Well, it sure does make a statement for all the eco-friendly Diwali lovers, right? And of course, if you're looking for a gifting option, this definitely is one of the best options to give for anybody. I'm quite excited to try all of these chocolates. I say first, thanks a lot, Kishore, for coming up with this innovative idea, and it's really one of the best that I have actually received this year for Deepavali. Well, I'm excited to try these, and also I must tell you before I go. See, one of this is a bigger option, but I think they also have a smaller option if you're looking to give for somebody. This is a smaller version, and if you just take a look at this, if you open this again, you have the smaller version. We have lesser number of the crackers, actually not crackers, chocolates actually. Well, it's the best gifting option for sure. Well, I'm quite excited to try this, and I think I've been telling that quite a few times that I'm going to try these right now. So until Deepavali, wishing you all a happy Diwali. Wishing Kishore and the Aubree team also a very happy Diwali. So happy Diwali and have fun, guys. Cheers.